Okay, DK. Doon ka anak ko sa tabi ni ate. Para makita natin si DK din.
We got chocomilk.
Okay.
As well as me. Hi. Cheers, everyone.
Oh, be careful. Oh my God. It is spill it off. May ano dito. Okay. Be careful. Huwag masyado anak ko. Okay, okay. Okay, let's go na. Sabayan niyo si DK.
Look at me. I closed it.
Okay.
Close it so the dust won't go in my chocolate.
Oh, really? Chloe, sabayan si DK. Maybe you cannot drink that one anymore.
I'm gonna drink it at home.
But that's not good for since you have a cough.
But it's only a little like Tita, right?
Yeah, ang hirap naman pala talaga mag-English, Day. Yeah, and my nose is bleeding now. Yeah, it's coming out, the blood. Where your mommy's working? Oh, there. Oh my God, your mommy's working. So nice place.
Yep. It's very nice. I actually drink this very little by little.
But I guess it's not allowed. Maybe we could drink something else. What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, we will throw that one. I will tell also to Ate Lei and Ate Louie to throw it, okay?
Wait, you forgot not to waste.
No, it's fine because since you all guys are sick with the coughing, so we need to drink only plain water.
But it's a waste. Yes.
Chloe,
But it's okay since we're like sick. We have to.
Hindi sabihin mo kasi anak ko bawal kasi.
Because we're not.
Oh, here. This is the garbage now. But you already drink like half of that. Chloe, explain mo.
I don't know how to read, Tita.
Okay. Where you want to? Can. General. Okay, general. Okay, throw. Be careful. 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh my God.
That scared me.
Okay. Oh, drink water. Drink
Okay,
water
that scared
first.
me.
Drink water muna.
Okay, that scared me.
Okay, and then after that, we will gonna have to sanitize our
Over there, the other side.
here. Okay, enough. Okay, how to sanitize your fingers like this, and then the other side. Okay, very good. Okay, and
like
done. And done. Done. Very good, DK. Very good, Clea. Can we go home now?
Yes.
Pag magaling na daw si DK. Pag magaling na si DK. Okay, let's go home. Oh, don't run, DK. Don't run. It's still wet. We had to dry it off.
But mine is already dry.
Wag mo na siyang
I put the right amount.
Okay. Because Ate Lei put like too much amount, right? Anak ko, lumayo pa sa kanya mahawaan mo si DK, magkasakit si DK.
Hawakan mo si mama.
Ako na kay DK anak ko kasi bata pa si DK. Oh, mag-face mask na, Clea. Put on your face mask. Okay. Very good. DK.
Social distancing.
Yes. Okay, very good. Oh, be careful. Ah, Chloe.
I actually know
This
how
one.
to do.
Oh,
I know how to do. Tita Kim's so far away.
she's scared. Leia. Oh, be careful, anak ko. Don't hold na, anak ko. Nag-sanitize ka na ng kamay eh. If you sanitize your hand na, don't hold anything. Okay, be careful. Wow, very good. Okay. Hayaan mo kung saan kayo pupunta. Hayaan nyo kung saan, which exit we will go to.
Two. Number two.
Number 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this side. Be careful, don't run.